In today's society, conformity reigns supreme. From a young age, we are taught to fit into predefined molds, to adhere to societal norms, and to suppress our individuality in favor of assimilation. The pressure to conform is relentless, exerting its influence on every aspect of our lives, from the way we dress and act to the choices we make in our careers and relationships. Yet, despite the allure of conformity, its grip on our lives can be suffocating, stifling our creativity, dampening our spirits, and leaving us feeling hollow and unfulfilled. At the heart of the conformity trap lies a profound sense of disconnection, a disconnection from our true selves. In our quest to fit in and meet the expectations of others, we often lose sight of who we truly are and what we value most. We become mere shadows of ourselves, living inauthentic lives dictated by the whims of society rather than the dictates of our own hearts. This disconnect from our authentic selves breeds discontent, anxiety, and a pervasive sense of emptiness that gnaws at our souls. The consequences of conformity extend beyond the individual to society as a whole. A society built on conformity is a society built on repression, a stifling environment where diversity is stifled, creativity is suppressed, and dissent is discouraged. This homogenization of thought and behavior leads to a loss of innovation, progress, and social cohesion, creating a culture of conformity that is as insidious as it is pervasive. In such a society, individuality is sacrificed on the altar of sameness, leaving little room for true human flourishing. It is in the embrace of nonconformity that we find liberation, liberation from the shackles of societal expectation, from the constraints of conformity, and from the stifling grip of the status quo. Nonconformity is not mere rebellion for its own sake but a radical act of self-affirmation, a declaration of independence from the dictates of society and a reclaiming of our individuality. It is through nonconformity that we reconnect with our authentic selves, tapping into the wellspring of creativity, passion, and purpose that lies dormant within us. At its core, nonconformity is about embracing authenticity, embracing who we truly are, embracing our unique gifts and talents, and embracing the power of our own voice. It is about rejecting the false dichotomy of conformity and rebellion and forging our own path in life, guided by our own inner compass rather than the expectations of others. In embracing authenticity, we reclaim our agency, our autonomy, and our sovereignty as individuals, charting a course that is uniquely our own. As we embrace nonconformity, we embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-empowerment that has the power to heal both ourselves and society at large. By reconnecting with our authentic selves, we unlock a sense of purpose and meaning that transcends the superficial trappings of material success and social approval. We become agents of change, catalysts for transformation, and beacons of hope in a world that is crying out for authenticity, integrity, and compassion. In embracing nonconformity, we also embrace diversity, celebrating the rich tapestry of human experience and the myriad ways in which we express ourselves in the world. Nonconformity invites us to embrace difference rather than fear it, to celebrate uniqueness rather than suppress it, and to cultivate empathy, understanding, and solidarity across lines of race, gender, sexuality, and class. In doing so, we create a more inclusive, equitable, and compassionate society that honors the dignity and worth of every individual. Nonconformity, the act of deviating from societal norms and expectations, has long been viewed with skepticism and even disdain by many. Yet, throughout history, nonconformists have played a crucial role in challenging the status quo, driving progress, and fostering innovation. In a world that often values conformity above all else, it is worth exploring the transformative power of nonconformity and its potential to cure both the individual and society at large. Nonconformity is not merely a choice but a calling to reclaim our authenticity, our autonomy, and our humanity in a world that too often seeks to strip us of these essential qualities. It is a path to healing for both ourselves and society, offering a vision of a world where diversity is celebrated, individuality is honored, and compassion is the guiding principle. As we embrace nonconformity, may we remember that true freedom lies not in conformity but in the courageous act of being ourselves, fully and unapologetically, in all our beautiful complexity.